Question 3. How do you generate or package a Spring Boot application as a jar, and how to run it? First, to generate a Spring Boot application as a jar, we can use Maven wrapper or MVNW. Please note, to answer a how to interview question, most of the time, we only need to answer one way to do it, instead of all methods. If we created our base project with start.spring.io, we would get a MVNW like this, and MVNW.cmd file automatically. On Windows, we use MVNW.cmd to build the jar. Right-click on the Maven wrapper or MVNW.cmd file. Then click Copy Path Reference and select the absolute path. And then we go to Windows, search the command prompt, or use Windows R. Then type cmd and get the command prompt. Then change to the project directory by paste the path we just copied, and we only need the path portion, and hit enter. Then let's see, the file is here. We'll copy this one, the Maven wrapper, and paste, and then we can just use this. In Windows, the MVNW is really using the mvnw.cmd, the command file, so we can use this. Then package, mvnw package, to generate the jar file. Let's hit enter. Okay, now it's running. It's generating the jar file for the application we just created. Okay, now it's created. The jar file should be generated in a subdirectory called target. Let's see. See here, the target directory is created. So we change to target directory, and we see the jar file. This is the jar file generated for our application, and we can rename this jar file to any other name. For example, we want to change it to demo.jar, and we can run the jar file by using java-jar and the demo.jar, and it's running. And that's how we run the jar file on command line, and that's how we run our application in production as well. So now you see Tomcat started on port 880, and so we can verify by, let's minimize this, go to a browser, say local host colon 8080 demo, like what we had before, demo hello. Right, see, we see the hello world as we saw before from running inside IntelliJ.